Hi everyone. In today's episode, let's take a quick look at one of the trades that I took recently in this week. This was in fact yesterday. This was on a very low time frame trade. Therefore, let me quickly show you how the trade was formulated. As usual, we start with the weekly. We know that on weekly we have the overall trending up market. Going to the daily time frame, we have again seeing this prices going upwards. Okay, and we look at this is the latest swing move up, so therefore we are interested in buying anywhere uh, in the lower price levels to reach the highest ones. But since it's a daily time frame, but today we have taken on the lower time frame, so let me quickly jump on exact opportunity that I've seen. And on the 15-minute time frame, I had seen this. The previous day on Thursday, I had seen this strong movement of the New York session, which essentially made new highs in terms of session highs. So we have a good strong movement that I have seen in the New York, and then it slowed down, then got muted uh, due to this lack of session until we have a new session opening. So essentially, what I wanted to look at is this whole movement. I was waiting for the prices probably to come into this area right here, or come into this imbalance and show me that they can actually reverse, right? So after I saw the reversal signs, by the way, I did not start the market. I was not there from the beginning of the market, which is approximately here where Asia opens, but I somewhat arrived at this point here, right? So at this point, we already have somewhat of a momentum. So if you look at this one, try to go lower, but then failed. So clearly showing that there is a market structure break here. So we have a clear break of structure here, which is what we want. Okay. So this is, if you look at this is a break of structure, and the price has already made a higher high, right? So all we are looking at is basically prices coming into lower time frame. So for me, I was looking at this level, which is very interesting because we have an open imbalance and this is an order block as well. So I was waiting for the prices to come into this one before targeting, the targets approximately here. So although there is a obvious target, but there is a clear liquidity spot at this point. Therefore, this is what I was trying to target, and this is how I formulated my trade. So this is ideally what the trade should have been. So if you look at this, as stop is 0.66937, which is essentially below the swing low, and this is what. But ideally, this should have been the case, but it's not so because I was not present in the market at this point in time. By the time I came, we already have this push higher. But since I missed the chance, I did not want to chase it. I wanted to see if the price can come back into these areas because there's a lot of liquidity here, especially because you seem to be breaking the structure at this point. There's a lot of liquidity. If the price ever comes here, take the liquidity. I want to see if it makes sense for me to take it. So in that sense, it's actually, the I was lucky the price came back, filled me in, and then slowly started going upwards. But somewhere in the Asian session or before that, before the London session, we had the price going down, but then immediately went back and then hit it. And later it came back. There's a different reason for it. It's on the higher time frame, but for me, the lower time frame setup has actually worked out in my favor.